Hey logo designers, this is Michael from the Logo Package, and today I'm going to talk to you about license management for Logo Package Swatch. So when you make a purchase of Logo Package Swatch, you are given a license, and that license is good for two activations, meaning you can activate the license on any two computers. You can put it on a home computer and a work computer, a desktop computer and a laptop. You can put it on a Windows machine and a Mac. Any combination of two different computers can be activated with a single license. There are a few reasons you may want to deactivate your license. Maybe you have a third computer that you temporarily need to put Logo Package Swatch on, so you have to deactivate it on an old computer. You may have a situation where your computer is totally messed up and the only way you can fix it is by reformatting. This is essentially going to remove all of the applications and programs from your computer, including Logo Package Swatch. Or you may just have an old computer and need to get rid of it, and you've bought a new computer and need to activate there. So if you have already activated your extension, then all you need to do to deactivate the extension and deactivate the license use is go to this little hamburger menu in the top right corner of the extension window and then click deactivate. As soon as you click deactivate, you'll be taken back to the activation screen. And this means that the license has been deactivated and we have removed one activation from your license. So if you only had it activated in one location and you deactivated, you would now have two activations left on your license. If you had the extension installed in two different places and you deactivated in one of them, you would now have one activation after clicking deactivate. Once you have installed Logo Package Swatch on your new computer, or you have successfully reformatted your existing computer, all you do is go in and put your credentials into this activation screen like you did the first time you activated the extension. And now that the information is entered, I just click Activate Extension, and I should be able to get right back in and go to the projects that I had created before. Now there is a caveat. With the current version of Logo Package Swatch, we are not saving your projects to the cloud somewhere. We're storing them locally on your computer. So if you have the extension on multiple different computers, your projects will not be synced across those computers. And if you reformat a computer, then you will not retain your projects because the files that contain the project information will be deleted when you reformat. We hope to have a more cloud-based solution in the future, but for our version 1, your projects can only be stored locally on your computer. And that is how you can manage your licenses to activate, deactivate, and move between computers with Logo Package Swatch. Thanks for watching.